Kaya naman tayo nawawala ng landas, pariwara, kasi nakalimutan si who, always tayo sa hataw, how. Nawala lang ng 1 billion, na devastated na, suicidal na, nabash lang, ayaw na, mahina ang kapit sa taas. Everything is taken away from you. Everything! No fear, no doubt, no worry. Ask me why. You're now being prepared to receive what's really for you. My desire for all of you is, number one, handle multiple, multi-billion business at any given time. Yes? I want that for you. However, secondly, here is time freedom. Ha? Paano yun? Possible. Pwede ba? That's a perfect picture I want you to have. But most important part here is number 3 is to be able to also have that level of fulfillment. Alam mo yung you feel good about yourself when you are by yourself. Yun bang tipong every day is an exciting day as if it's the first day for the rest of your life. Anong feeling pag feeling mo first day mo for the rest of your life every day? Excited. Bagong-bago eh. However, it can be also the last day for the rest of your life. I don't know for you, but maybe you experience me, no? Magkasama. Lagi ba akong excited no matter what? May tulog or wala? Ask me why. Why? I'm gonna share you what is going on for me. So again, what I'm sharing with you is not only based on my experience, but this is grounded on number 1. Pakisulat po to, theories. So hindi ko na sasabihin kung saan ako nag-aral, alam nyo na yan. Hindi ko na kailang i-flex yan. Because again, it's a never-ending. In fact, I'm going to MIT in Bali. Buti may Asia kasi ayoko na mag-US. Kasi mamayang gabi, nasa US na naman ako. Nakakainis, di ba? Right? So again, it's a never-ending. Theory. Why? Because the world has evolved. And maybe yung alam mo in the 1960s, 70s, hindi na applicable ngayon. So very advanced tayo. Theories, very important. You want good news? I'm gonna give you all the theories I know for free. That's one of the core secret theories. Number 2, experience. Okay? What does it mean? Kasi dito, pwede naman tayong matuto through YouTube. Tama ba? Yeah, I guess what I like about Nicole, ilang years siya nagbabad sa YouTube. Somehow, nasa mind niya na, nung umuwi dito, naka-attend ng seminar, ito pala yun. You need to experience what you have learned. Klaro ba? In fact, si Boss Mix, ang courses niya, there's theories, but there's also experience. And that's very important. However, number 3, this is all useless, not unless you put in application. Now, what application am I talking about? Whatever you learned here, ladies and gentlemen, it will all be useless, not unless you apply it right away. So, kung wala kang balak mag-apply nito sa organization mo, sa family mo, wag na lang kasi sayang. At any given time, I have 6 new people I'm gonna train, grow, deport. 6 new people grow, deport. So if there's new business opportunity, because let's be real, when we put up a business, isang pinakamalaking gap. Ask me what? People. Therefore, your job here is to make sure when you go home, learn this as much as you can. It's being recorded, by the way. Review it, and then hopefully you sit down with your people. Be the Ras Husod in your own organization. Good or good? Good. Ask me why. Grabbing fulfillment. Yan yung magiging application natin. Are you with me? Now, I'm gonna give you the role of a leader, of a founder. The ultimate perfect role of a leader and a founder. Okay, I'm telling you, it's not gonna happen yet, but this is the perfect picture. Are we good? So would you like to know ano ba talaga ang role mo? Pakisulat to. Role number 1, be the face of your company. Hindi mawawala yan. No if, no but, at hindi mapapalitan yan. Ikaw talaga ang muka ng company mo. Are you with me? Role number 2. I'm not gonna say it's gonna happen, but give it time. When you practice and apply what I'm learning, what I'm teaching you guys, role number 2 is no longer in the business. No longer in the nitty-gritty, in the decision-making. Ultimo flavor ng kape, ikaw pa mag-decide, ano yan? Right? Ultimo positioning ng banner, ikaw pa rin. Ano yun? That is not your role. It's taking away the time, the energy, and effort of doing things that are exciting because you're doing it. Ask me why. Maybe your people was not nurtured and trained to do it for you. That aspect is a perfect picture. Pakisulat, my business is running without me excellently. You know what's the best part? my business is expanding without me. So which means, may nilagay ka, wag mong baliin. Klaro ba? And that's where I get to appreciate this. That I want to do more of this because now, hindi na naman gagaling sa ibang negosyo yung pera ko pagpatakbo nito. Kung hindi, buhay na ito. Ganda? So good news ba yun? You're no longer in the day-to-day nitty-gritty of your business. Sa IAM Plus, among 7 courses, isa na lang yung gusto kong ako pa rin. It's the breakthrough, and the rest, it's absolutely given away. Not me anymore. Ganda? And it's a major. That's what I want. Number 2, you are no longer in the nitty-gritty of the business. Because number 3, your most important role here is to continue casting the vision. To continually cast the vision. And when I say continue casting the vision, it's really waiting for inspiration from God or from whoever you believe to give you to your next direction. That's the third part. Okay? Casting the vision by receiving inspiration from God Almighty. But number 4, okay, set direction and invite people to join. Ibig sabihin, based on my prayer, based on my meditation, sasabihin mo sa team mo, eto yung direction na binigay sa akin and I'm inviting you to join me. Bakit hindi pinilit? Bakit hindi dapat ganito? But eto yung nakita ko, iniimbitahan kayo sumali kayo sa akin. Bakit sa tingin nyo, hindi siya force except it's an invitation? Can anyone tell me? Sa tingin nyo lang. No? Bakit kailangan hindi ipilit? Kailangan lang may imbitasyon. Intention, that's very good. What else? Good example. Okay? Okay, I'll let you know. Most people who you will be grooming and raising will be Gen Zs. And Gen Zs no longer believe in the command and control leadership. Hindi mo sila pwedeng pilitin. May sariling mundo na yan. Ask me why. They're smarter than us. They have technology on their hand. They're better than us. In fact, we call that reverse mentoring. Which means for this generation, which is, by the way, 90%, 95% of our organization's client and recruit for manpower will be coming from this generation. If you don't understand them, you don't know them, lalayasan ka niyan. Unlike sa generation natin, Linda, di ba? Mumurahin ka ng boss mo, tapos overtime mo lang bayad, tapos sasabihin, ba't di ka mag-resign? Paano yung SSS ko? They don't care. They have a different priority. Secondly, firefighting is no longer sexy. You know what firefighting is? Problema dito, ano to? Puro emergency, puro meeting, puro urgent, puro band-aid. Hindi appealing sa kanila. You know, I have an opportunity to mastermind with the second and third every Wednesday when I was still holding office in BGC. Siguro I have 8 to 9 people. If I were to look at it, that's more than 100 billion net worth. Second and third generation. None of them are doing their family's business. Isa pa nga, tinanggalan ng mana, lahat tinanggal, basta wag na lang. And I realize entrepreneurs tends to hate the business that they actually started. Why? Health-wise, hindi na nakikita. I don't wanna grow old, unhealthy, puro sakit. Relationship. And because para sa inyo naman to, no, you cannot even cover that up. Kaya huwag ka magtaka, pag adult na, hindi na close sa'yo, kasi hindi mo nilagay ang time sa kanila. Are you with me? Kasi hindi na growth mindset. Did that make sense? And that is something that we want to start looking into. So invite lang. And I'll tell you, if you grow them really well, all of them 100% will say yes. But will somebody say no? Yes, definitely. Most important part here as a leader, right, is you respect your leaders. Now they feel safe. Now they feel love. Now they feel that liberty. Something they want to be in full control. So again, your number 1 is still be the face of the organization. Number 2, no longer in the day-to-day. Now, I'm not gonna say do this now, Give yourself time. Number 3 is casting the vision. Kasi hindi mo alam, akala mo, big time kayo ito, meron pa palang mas malaking handa. Kailangan mo makinig, inspiration, and share your direction. And let them buy in or buy out. But the most important here is number 4. Yung set direction, invite people. Tama, set direction, invite people. But nanggagaling yun sa vision casting. Part yan. But ito, number 4, pinaka-last, hold space. Which means you will be the container of your own organization. You are the context of your own organization. Which means your business is a reflection of you. But a lot of times, we don't what? We don't normally hold on to the you, but we hold on to something else. Mug is the container. Mug is the context. Tama ba? Anong pwedeng ilagay sa mug? Water. What else? Anything liquid. Pwede ring solid? Pwede. Now, in business, anong pwede natin ipasok sa business? Yung usual nating pinagkakaabalahan. Okay? Product. Tama ba? We spend a lot of time, energy about product. True or true? What else? Services. What else? Advertising. Thank you. Marketing. HR. Finance. Logistics. Sales. Coaching. All the things, all the what, all the how, all the when, all the things that is something to do with the business, it's the content, yung laman. Bakit sabog-sabog? Bakit lagi na lang nagkakainit ng ulo? Bakit stress and pressure? Ask me why. Because it's always the context or the container that will set the environment. And this is what we call your context or container. In other words, when we put up business, it's always, sulat natin dito, Mads, what, when, where, how. Focus tayo doon. In fact, we spend so much about putting up office, right? Product research, advertising, grabe yung investment. Tama ba? But how much time are we spending on the who? This is you spending on your who. How much time do you have something like this? Can I share you my own experience? 95 to 97% of the time, I spend a lot of time working on my who and working on my people's who so that the how, they're gonna take care of it. And yet, a lot of times, the way we handle people, the way we handle ourselves, it's always the what, when, where, how. But the moment you start working on the who, this will just appear. Repeat after me. When the who is clear, the how will appear. Specifically for Gen Zs. Andyan ang YouTube University. Andyan ang, lalo ChatGPT, my God. And this is something I want you to start understanding and spending time. Kaya huwag mamasamay ng loob ha kung i-require namin na at least once a week paggasolina tayo ng who. Kaya naman tayo nawawala ng landas, pariwara kasi nakalimutan si who. Always tayo sa hataw, how. Klaro? And that is something I want you to start understanding, that when you want something, when you work harder, more time in your context, the how will just appear. Example, no? Kaya tayo stress, di ba? Meron ba dito parang nakuha mo yung gusto mo, tapos biglang nawala, nakuha mo, biglang nawala, tapos ngayon takot ka nang to run after what you want because ayaw ko maulit yung stress at trauma. Yes or no? Nakatarget, nakafocus kasi tayo sa how. So let's say, this is you. Right? Buhusan ko ng 1 litrong tubig, kasya hindi. O kaya, may dumating na 10 million, biglang nawala, ask me why. Hindi mo ma-hold ang space. So I'd rather work on the who to hold the space so whatever opportunity comes in, as long as it's aligned in my values, pasok, kasya, kahit saan. Is this making sense? You become Midas touch. Bakit? Nakafocus ka. And why am I overemphasizing this? Because when you journey with us, all we want is to make sure that you are all healthy, loving, spiritual, and money will just run after you. We want to overemphasize that. I know how it feels to be shitty in terms of my health. I know how it feels shitty in terms of not having the relationship that I want. I know how it feels shitty when I feel empty and broken inside. For what sake? Money. Ako baliktad. I always work on the who because the how will just appear. That's what I did in my entire life. From a janitor, to a promodizer, to a salesman. 15 years, I enlarged my container. However, bumigay ako. Ask me why. Why? Hindi solid. Example lang. Right? This is a mug. Diba, Kap? When the heat is on, when the stress and pressure is now out there, and that is represented, pahingi ako ng basura, please. And, diba, pag nagka-pressure na nagka-stress, pag hindi solid yung who, ano nangyayari? Madaling bumigay. This is pressure of life. Competition. Nanakawan ako. Naubusan ako. Lahat ng ayaw natin, whether we like it or not, will happen. Ask me why. That's nature. Everything good will be attacked. Look at flowers. They're attacked by bees. 2 Sundays ago, a lily was devastated with... But kung gaano ka ka-solid, it doesn't matter anymore. I want you to come to a point wherein when everything is taken away from you, everything, no fear, no doubt, no worry. Ask me why. You are now being prepared to receive what's really for you. Which means, if we invest something in that is permanent, money is not permanent. True or true? Health. People who you love may betray you. Growth can be taken away. But if you only invest in the thing that is the only important, that is permanent in the world, what is that? What is the only thing that's permanent in the world? Isa lang. He is yesterday, today. He is the same yesterday, today, and forever. And yet, why are we not connecting to that? Why are we not investing our time, energy to that? Kaya lang pupunta kung said na at ubos na. Which means, pag sinunog ang buhay, which will always happen. My life is not perfect, by the way. But it's perfectly working with the imperfection. O, sige, imagine nyo na nasusunog yan. Kaya pala, nawala lang ng 1 billion, na devastated na, suicidal na, nabash lang, ayaw na, mahina ang kapit sa taas. And we want you to invest something in that permanently. And that is something we want to start looking up to.